Hey guys, time for Lunch here. Today we're going to talk about Zap Surveys. This is a very highly popular survey app. At the moment, you could see that they have over 1 million downloads with a 4.3 review. This is one of the more popular survey apps, and the great thing about it is you can just earn cash taking surveys. There's no silly point system, and they give you a head start here. They'll give you $3 just by taking your first survey. That's pretty unheard of in the industry, and surveys are personalized for you. You can cash out your way. They have a bunch of rewards, as well as you could shop and earn. And as all of my reviews, I want to download it and show you how it works. I've used it before. It is a legitimate company. I'm going to show you what other people think about it. And as always, I'm always 100% honest, so I like to recommend what I feel will work. So with that being said, let's begin. Alright, so to get started, you can download the app on the Google Play or iTunes Store, whichever option you want to choose. And once you do so, it's going to come to a screen like this. You're going to have to agree to the terms here. And then you can either connect your Facebook account or you can sign in with Google, whichever option you prefer. I personally just use my Google account because I don't really use Facebook, but again, whatever you want to do. And immediately after you fill out the account information, you'll be asked if you want to turn on location rewards. And they will ask you to start a survey, which according to the app only takes a couple minutes. And I took it in its entirety, and they did end up giving me a $6.25 credit for taking this survey right when I started. So it's only a couple minutes. I highly recommend you check it out because it does pay quite a bit. And to join, you must be at least 18 years or older, and you need to reside in the United States. And again, once you sign up, you can access your dashboard, which I'll show you in a second here. Okay, so once you log into your dashboard, you can see that it's pretty easy. It's self-explanatory. You're going to have your daily cash up here. It's your daily survey. I can unlock it. It takes less than a minute of my time for 10 cents. If you want to just do a quick survey for 10 cents, you could do so. Next, they have the Zap Surveys. Click on it. I'll show you in a second here and take those surveys. Again, the short survey right here is linked to the top here. These are connected. You can do one of these every day. They usually pay 10 cents or so. And then they also have survey partners, which if you watch my videos or you just played around online taking surveys, these are very common offer walls. They take surveys. These companies give it to companies such as Zap Surveys. They give them the money and they go, whatever money we give you, you can then share with your user. So this will vary on company to company. Some will pay much more than others. So if we go up to here, we're going to see that the unlocked daily survey, you can also claim every day you log in for sprees here. So if you log in every single day for 3 days straight, they'll pay you a penny, 2 pennies tomorrow, 3 pennies the next day. A little bit of an incentive there. And if you want to start taking surveys, then what you do is you can either want the high value survey or the best match. Best match is based on your demographics, which if you remember, you're going to get that demographic survey when you signed up, and you can see on my balance up here, I have $6.40, mostly from that demographic survey. Now, if I click on this Take Surveys, you'll see it just takes me straight to a third-party offer wall, so it's pretty random here. The InBrain AI says if I take the survey, it's 10 cents, but I have no idea how long it'll take me to do this survey. It could take me a minute, it could take me an hour. So that's kind of a bummer right here. If we go back, we go to the high-value surveys, let's click on that. Takes me to the same thing. So this might be that 10-cent survey that's already on the dashboard. So I'll take it really quick here to see if we can get rid of it. Okay, and what it was a quick demographic survey for this particular third offer party wall. Again, I'm on the InBrain AI, so that took me maybe 30 seconds to do that demographic profile. They paid me 10 cents. If we scroll through now, I have some surveys based on my demographics, so you can see that some of them are pretty bad. You're looking at 46 cents for 21 minutes, 20 cents for 18. This one's not too bad, 80 cents for 6 minutes. You're not going to make a lot of these surveys. That's to be said on most of these sites. This one I probably would take. That's not too bad because usually this is the 6 minutes is usually overestimate. It's usually maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And you can scroll through. You can see that's the surveys that I have for now. Maybe if my demographics are filled on now, if I click on these, it's just going to take me straight to the dashboard here. So yeah, this one right here is very good. $1 for 2 minutes of your time. And so it looks like if you keep scrolling through here, if we start the surveys, such as say on that one, it'll take me to a survey that I can fill out and then submit it here. So a lot of the surveys where they're gonna come from, it looks like it's gonna come from third-party offer walls, and they will load. You can see as I was doing this review, these will load over your time. And this one's a great profile match for me, so is this one, but these are all pretty bad. 5 minutes for 20 cents, 50 cents. Again, you're gonna have to do some digging here. That's what it's gonna look like, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just simply surveys, and you're just gonna take them. If you complete them, you get the reward mentioned. Just make sure if you do, you're doing some that are worth your time, such as that one, say for $1 for a couple minutes. They do pop up, but you want to make sure that, again, they're worth your time. So when it comes time to cash out, this is the only bummer. You need $25 in cash to cash out. This is pretty high in comparison to some competitors here. They have great rewards. You can see Amazon, PayPal, Visa, and Starbucks. They also have other options. And when it comes time, again, you need 25 as a timer down there, but you're going to look at those surveys. It's going to take you a little bit. If you do $1 survey a day, $2 a day, you can see it's going to take you a week or two to cash out. It's possible to get to the cash out, but when you do, you're just going to click on that, hit the cash out. And then in terms of how long it's going to take you to get paid, if you go to their frequently asked questions, usually takes within a business day. So that's pretty nice. That's pretty quick payout. Only downfall is it takes $25 to get that payout. So one last thing I want to talk to you about, they do have a bonus section. It's found on the bottom here, and you can get bonuses here. So if you take 2 daily surveys, for example, I could get 25 cents. If I log in twice, I can get that little 5-cent bonus. And there's goals. If I earn a login streak of 2 or more, I can complete. I can get a $10 goal reward. If I complete goals, earn Zap goals towards my goal rewards. These are all other ways to get paid. So in the end, Zap Rewards is pretty good. You're just going to have to do a lot of digging to find the good surveys, and how many surveys you get and what you make is just going to be dependent on your demographics. I could get way more than you. You could get way more than me, or it could be the same. But I think you could earn maybe $5 or $10, $20 a week by just putzing around on it on your phone. But again, your results will vary. It is a legitimate site. They have a lot of reviews, and I'll show you really quick. If we go down to the reviews here, you'll see something they're mixed. Started out okay, but after a while, I seem to be getting surveys that I don't qualify for. And finally, it takes forever for this person to reach $25 cash out. But on the other hand, we have a 4-star. Said app does what it's supposed to do. It is very easy. It's friendly. And another one, love the app. High-paying surveys really need some help. $1.60 for 15 minutes is not high-paying. And I agree. So this one, you have to dig and dig. 25 minimum cash out, again, is not convenient. It is not good. There's better survey sites such as Swagbucks, SuperPay.me, and that'll pay you $1 or $3 in 24 hours, and that could be much quicker. So that is a downfall there. So and then just check it out. It's not the best survey app. It's not the worst. You're just going to do a lot of digging to find the good paying surveys, if that makes sense. So and then go to letsdollar.com as well. I have hundreds of ways to make money, such as these survey apps, as well as being smart with your money. That's created this website and video channel just to inform you. That's all I want to do. Educate you in that way. Like, comment, subscribe, or do any of that. It always helps me out. I always like hearing from you. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.